Morning, everybody. So it looks like the market wants to push higher today. See where it goes. But if 5 or 600 level get break above, I like to target upside. Looking for at least 858 today. If we get a push above 600 and hold, then I like upside towards the 800. Good morning, T. Hope you're doing well, man. Pre-market right now looking really bullish, just so you know. But we gotta wait for some. This data comes out at 7, which is jobs. That's job opening. That usually has a little bit of reaction with market, so be careful at 7 o'clock. But right now it seems like market want to push higher. We do have Fed speaker at 9:45. But 7 o'clock, most of the news comes out. So after that, two Fed speaker at 10, at 9 to 12:30. They're not as important speaker, so they don't really move market unless they say something drastic. Other than that, be careful if anything Trump says on the headlines because he can pop out of nowhere. And be careful what he says to say. Right now, we have a trend line up in the 15-minute, 5-minute. So I know you like trend line. We have a trend line right there. I got EMAs going too. So everything's looking bullish, but things can change in a hurry. When it opens up and 7 o'clock, the news come out for the data, the jolts information. Be mindful of your levels, where you guys trading at, right? Yesterday, high was 577, and then sold off Asian hour. We made some money there, but now Europe open. What happened? Came back up. Usually how it works. Market is open, and look at that. We're pushing. This 600 psychological number. Sorry, man. My throat in the morning just not cooperating. Oh, okay, we're just pushing it. All gas, no brakes. Okay, let me mark the 600 level. Psychological level. Market is strong. Market is strong. Funny, breath is not that strong though. Market is strong. Must be tech pushing it again. By hitting resistance order block from yesterday. Yep, and he leading the way. I think good. Oh, that was strong push back. Don't ever chase breakout. That's one way to get burned. I trade some pre-market action and got burned a little bit. Gotta be more conservative right now. Let's see if we get a trend line break too. If we get a trend line break, it could be a sign to go short. I'm just gonna move my orb up. That's the SR flat. All right. Now we got an orb low here. Mark it out. Let's wait for this trend line break to go short. Right now, I know it's looking like a sell off, but it's too early. Just gotta be patient. Just gotta be patient. Meta's just dropping. starting to like short a little bit more now, but I have not entered yet. Need some more clarity. Need a break of trend. Need a break of more blow. Okay, there we go. Starting to look like it. Tap it. Okay, tap the trend. Tap our trend line. Wake up. Let's see, we gotta wait for that break. Oh no, so it might be just choppy because we have data in another 20 minutes. You don't have to rush your trade. Just take your time. Wait for confirmation. A 15-minute candle looks like it's just it's called spinning top, undecisive. Uh, well, if you play that trend line strategy where to go long, it worked down on the trend, that was your sign to enter long. You would have got paid right there. I was not looking for that play. I was looking for a short underneath that, so that's why I did not take long. That's why trading styles different, varies people to people. That's why I said when the people ask me what kind of trading strategy you use, I was like, I mean, it all varies. Every strategy works. It depends on how people trade it. There's no wrong strategy. Your mic is on, T. I'm gonna mute you, T. Your mic is on. One of my students. Breath is now positive. Things are looking pushing up. Student in no trade zone. No trade. This is within the 5 minute orb, and yeah, I see how just on top. I need to break that for me to go long. I need to break underneath or low for me to even think short. So right now, no trade. Sometimes it's good to be on hands. Knowing when to trade is also a skill. Yes, yes. No trade is a win trade. And right now, we're winning. It's a strong move. It's a strong move. 600 level thing. 600 level. Psychological level. Oh, perfect. Like right off 600. Yeah. 10 more minutes. Data comes out. This looks like a no trade for right now. I can't do anything much. Maybe just is it a daily trend online? I'll give it a different color so it's easier to see later. Gray. Reset chart. That way we know possible resistance here. Yeah, I know. Jolts. That's why we're not taking any trade right now. Jolt tend to move markets, so drop openings. It depends. But Jolts is never accurate. The way they do the conduct their studies on it is just stupid. Interesting. SPY is actually selling off. QQQ is not yet, which is in NQ. ES is selling off, but not NQ yet. That's interesting. Yeah, yeah. So yeah, same as ES. ES is going down, and Tech is trying to push. All right, 5 minutes left. Right. You're really trying to push it, huh? Really trying to push it. Qual's in the house. What's up, Qual? Wow, look, wow, up 1,200, 1,100 already. Good job, my man. Good job. He took that long. That's okay. Blow what I paid, made 1K and then it's all right. I feel you. Lower XFA does not make you a bad trader. Don't feel bad about it. Happens to everybody. As long as you're profitable at the end of the day, end of the month, end of the year, you're good. 1 minute. Also, don't chase whatever the news come out to be. Just wait a little bit. Yeah. Spies still selling off more than NQ. That's insane. All right. Data came out. Market looks like it's liking it right now. Will it love it enough to hold? We are gonna find out. Okay. Market seems to like it so far. If you manage to close above 600, I'm looking long. Let's wait for this 5 minute candle close. Yeah, we seem to be holding pretty well. Looking pretty bullish right now. Yeah, it's only 7. I got it. We are definitely pushing, guys. Now SPY is actually pushing back up too. SPY has a lot of room to run since it's lagging right now too. I mean, yes, same thing. We have a visitor. Hello, welcome to the group. W, Celeste W. Okay, come on, stay above 600. Ooh, sorry, I gotta mute you, buddy. W. We on just have your mic mute, please. What's going on, W? I just have you have your mic mute if you're not talking. Thank you. All right, I like that. I'm going long right now. Like, yeah, I'm going long because just now, yeah, I like that it closed above 600. My stop is going to be around 592. That candle low. We're gonna try to target long. Maybe I don't need much, but let's see if we can target 80, 680. Remember, guys, manage your own risk. Things are looking good, and Rita is pushing. A lot of things are pushing right now. I feel like ES is actually a better play if you guys want to play ES long because it is lagging the move. But since we're right here already in MNQ, go ahead. Just don't dip under 600. Don't dip under 600. Come on. No. Think they're gonna get stopped out. Thinking the 600 gonna hold, but no. All right, we got stopped out there. Let's sit back now. Okay, that's a big drop. Okay, that's a big drop. Did something came out in news? I gotta look at that. Hold on. They don't drop like that for no reason. No, nothing substance. There's no news. How's this a big sell off? Big sell off, fast, accelerating. Um, Uptrend is still intact, but that was strange. The only one that caused that big old sell off. Gotta check Twitter real quick. No, nothing. Nothing. It's just a little bit Nvidia pullback from 140. That's a strange dip. Okay, I'm gonna go back long. On the last one. Stop at one. 558. The nine EMAs look like it's holding support for long. That's why I'm considering long. That's why I'm in long right now. Let's see, but still have to get above that 600 to hold again to be safe. But if I can stop it again, I'll be done for the day. I don't want to go tilt mode. That always end up badly. Okay, pushing back up here. We'd like to see it close above 600. Switching to the 1 minute chart. Trail up a little bit. My stops. 580 now. My stop. I'll be right back, guys. Gotta get my son ready for school. Looking okay. Look close above 600. Pushing a little bit up. All right. All right. We're up. Here we go. You guys are making some money. Manage your risk. Trim if you like so. Take some off. Set to break even. You know, trade how you trade, but always protect your capital. Okay, we're pushing. Let's see. Let's see if we can break this. I'm gonna go ahead and trail my stop a little bit more. 587. I'm not gonna trail too tight, or else I might just stop out, break even. Still gonna have room to run. There we go. Come on. Give a stronger push. Come on. Oof. I don't like that. It's okay. Remember, you guys take some profit out and set the break even. My risk is different from your risk. I'm gonna set the break even here. It's just looking kind of ugly. Kind of ugly. Yeah, it looks like I'm gonna stop out. Looks like it's gonna stop out again. Yeah, it stopped out on my other account. This one not yet. Close, but it doesn't look like it's gonna hold. So if you made some money off this, good. You got stop at break even. That's fine. Not yet. You still in it? Yeah, me. I'm still almost there. We'll see. If this hold, luck is on my side. If not, it is what it is. You know, I'm looking for a higher move than this, but we'll see what the market gives you. Uh, cool. It's kind of holding now. Sucks that I got stopped on the other one. Yeah, 640 be nice. Break above 640. A little back and forth right here, but this, there we go. Another guy, another 800 bucks for one of our members. Second XP. Good job, buddy. Lock it up. That's how you do it. Lock it up. Make money, lock it up. Yeah, definitely. Oh, there's still some hope left. Ah, sucks I got stopped on the other one. Dang it. Whatever. That was just combined on my other account. This is from Top One Features. This is a straight to fund it. So if you're wondering why it looks different right here, different platform, that's all it is. We got a chance. We got a chance. Can it do it? I'm going to the 5 minute chart. That's 1 minute just giving me a headache. We know where we're at in the 5 minute. Yeah, You know, 1 minute is too emotional. You don't. 1 minute is good. You start to trail your profit. Stuff like that. Trail your stop, but it's not good just to look at it. Like keep your emotion in check. Goes longer time frame. 5 minutes. We're okay so far. If you trim something, then you're good. You want trim a little bit here you want. Break even. Obviously, we're getting slow here, but the SPY is pushing, so that helps. Breath is really positive, so I think we can go higher. We're like 689. We opened up in like around 40, so that's a high probability we go higher just off of that ADD breath. Thing is starting to pick up. This is my combine again. Let's see. Wow, it's kind of choppy up here. That's back and forth, back and forth. Pretty choppy. We're still holding 90 MA, so that's a positive. We're still above 600. That's a positive, but barely, right? Things are pushing. SPY is pushing. What is it stopping it from just going crazy? Nvidia again hit another wall. Yeah, I guess it's just semi is the one running things right now. As soon as Nvidia dip, we see red candles on ES. So it must be chips. Now we're gonna get a stop up for real this time. I got 3 more minutes and I gotta take my kid to school. Please don't stop me out. Oh yeah, we gotta stop that. That's all right. Um, that happens. You guys always made some money there if you guys manage your risk properly. I was looking for more, looking higher, but overall it was still a good trade. And I'll be back, guys. Some of you guys made money. Good job. I gotta take my kid to school. Once I come back, I'll probably trade some more on this account. I'll be back later and close this out.